here again. Side Quest Wednesday. We are essentially sitting ducks right now, waiting on Hurricane Erin. Sorry, words today. Hurricane Erin is currently making a very, very close pass at us here in eastern North Carolina. We're about 15 miles south of the Outer Banks. So Pete's on his way. He's got our old jet skis that you've probably seen on the channel if you've been around for a little while. He'll be here shortly, and we're gonna go put them in the water and see what the inlet and the ocean looks like just offshore here. We've got tethers for ankles to the skis so we don't get swept away by rip current, anything crazy like that, if and when inevitably we do get tossed.
No, you good?
But I've got all 4 cameras, so we're gonna have every angle on both skis locked down. So hopefully we've got some good stuff coming. Sit tight and hang on. Don't do that. This man is literally driving on the dock. That's one way to do it, I guess.
Peter, get this fucking thing off of the dock.
Did you lose a GoPro? No way! Oh shit! At least it wasn't me. Wow, this is stupid. They lost the GoPro already. I heard you land, and then you started yelling. Waverunners, that crazy brake turn. Insane. These aren't even the biggest waves that we've done. Brake turn. The waves are all the way past the big island. Really don't know which way to come. next one. Holy shit, they're so fucking big. Now you good? You good? I thought that was just like 20 feet in the air.
All right, so we were gone for maybe an hour and a half. I almost died. Hopefully Pete got it on camera. And we've got another 8 inches of water. These are still floating. Usually this is 3 or 4 feet above the water level. So I would say we're maybe 5-6 feet of storm surge at the moment. So she's coming.
Damn, fatty. Tide went out.
Right.
That's why there's 8 more inches of water there.